Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan, remove the 2 screws on each side of the base cover. Loosen the 3 screws at the back of the cover and the 1 screw at the front to lift the cover off the system. Find and disconnect the battery cable. Identify the system fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the fan, place it back in the system. Tighten the 2 screws and reconnect the cables. Plug in the battery cable. Secure the base cover with the 8 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.